Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. The purpose of making this video is to let you know that a new course on complete course on nuclear and particle physics is going to start from 14th of July 2021, means from this month after 1 2 days on Unacademy Plus. And this course will be completed by August 7. So you can join Unacademy Plus today if you are not a Plus subscriber. Then you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code. And guys, let me just tell you about this. So here in this course, we'll be completing nuclear and particle physics. We will start with this basic nuclear properties: size, shape, charge distribution, speed, parity, binding energy, semi-empirical mass formula, liquid drop model. And so you can see we can expect two questions from this nuclear physics and around one question from this particle physics of 5 marks. So total, we can expect around 15 marks from this particle and nuclear physics. And you see, attempting question from this nuclear and particle physics is relatively easier than attending questions from other subjects, other topics. So you can see, if we broadly categorize this whole nuclear and particle physics, if you see this basic nuclear properties and all this constitute one question. Binding energy, semi-empirical mass formula, liquid drop model. This may contain one question because these are different types. Let's say if there are 10 types, you can expect one or two questions from this. Then nature of nuclear forces, nuclear potential, charge independent, symmetry of nuclear forces, Deuteron problem. This will uh, and evidence of cell structure, single particle cell model, validity, limited. This will contain one question. Rotational spectra, elementary ideas of alpha, beta, gamma. These things will give you one question. Fission, fusion, nuclear reactions, compounding. This is one question. So total, you can see 5 to 6 main topics are there. You need to which you need to focus on. You can expect around 2 3 questions in nuclear physics. As per the particle physics, this is a relatively small syllabus. So it starts with the classification of fundamental forces. You know there are four fundamental forces in nature. Then we will divide the elementary particles according to their quantum number, charge, spin, parity, isospin, straightness, etc. Gilman decision formula, Fock model, Baryon Mason, CPT theorem, and after that we'll go for these particle reactions. Whether a reaction is valid or not, then this relativistic kinematics is very important. So hardly you can say 15 20 marks you can expect, but the thing is the syllabus is also very small. So it is better that you don't leave this topic. And if you are already Plus subscriber, you can enroll for it. I will provide you the link in the description. You can get the link from there and enroll for it. And this is the course which is ongoing. And about the timing, the course will be taken in the morning session, 8 a.m. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. 14th of July is the starting date. And this course is already going on, complete course on thermal and statistical. Also attend this. So you can join Unacademy Plus. A lot of benefits are there, like daily live classes, hotline, full test assignments, proper structured course, whole syllabus is covered, and many more things are there. You can get the classes in. So my approach is precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problems based on the topic, including previous questions and homework and assignments are given. And guys, this price hike is going to be effective from 15th of July. And for the timing, if you take 6 month subscription, you will get 1 month extra. And if you take 12 month subscription, if you're targeting for the upcoming December exam, you can purchase a 6 month subscription or 12 month subscription. This kind of fee structures are available. You can apply or refer. So thank you very much, guys. You can get the link of the classes from the description, and other links will also be there. Thank you very much. We'll come with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you.